Protect your Apple ID from unauthorized changes. Change Apple account password. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your name at the top. Select Sign In and Security. Then tap Change Password. Your iPhone will ask you to authenticate, typically using your device passcode. You may not need to enter your current Apple account password. If someone knows your iPhone passcode, they can change your Apple account password without any additional verification. So never share your passcode or let others watch while you enter it. Enable Stolen Device Protection. Go back to the main settings page. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode. Scroll down and tap Stolen Device Protection. Turn Stolen Device Protection on. This adds extra security when your iPhone is away from familiar locations. Sensitive changes may require Face ID or Touch ID. For maximum protection, set Require Security Delay to Always, if available. Enable Content and Privacy Restrictions. Go back to the main settings page. Tap Screen Time. Scroll down and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn Content and Privacy Restrictions on. This feature lets you block account changes by using a separate screen time passcode. Block Apple account changes. Scroll to the bottom of the screen, click Allow Changes to Settings, tap Accounts. Select Don't Allow. This prevents changes from being made to your Apple account. Now, go back to the main settings page. You'll notice that your Apple account at the top is restricted. This adds another layer of protection against unauthorized account changes. This helps keep your Apple account more secure. Lock Screen Time Settings. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Scroll to the bottom and click on Manage Screen Time. Tap Lock Screen Time Settings. Create a screen time passcode that's different from your iPhone passcode. You can also add your Apple account information for passcode recovery. Once enabled, your protected screen time restrictions can't be changed without this separate passcode, even if they know your iPhone passcode and navigate to screen time. Content and privacy restrictions. Tap Allow Changes to Settings. Select Accounts. They'll still be asked to enter the separate screen time passcode before making any changes. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized changes to your Apple account. And that's it.